Tesla has a Giga Berlin Rave cave. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin has probably become the most fun factory among the company's facilities worldwide. While Giga Berlin plays a huge part in ramping Tesla's output globally, the electric vehicle maker also seems determined to ensure that the facility's employees are well supported. This means that if employees need to de-stress, they would not need to go too far. With this in mind, it appears that Giga Berlin has launched an in-house rave cave of sorts. The facility's teaser was posted by Tesla's official Tesla manufacturing account, which, strangely enough, shared its post with a hamster emoji. Amidst scenes of employees entering the apparent rave cave from a futuristic narrow tunnel, images of a cyber hamster mascot could also be seen. Giga Berlin's rave cave would likely be appreciated by the facility's employees. It also joins some other unique Giga Berlin employee facilities, such as the huge, twisting adult slide that leads into the factory's advanced paint shop. Needless to say, it would appear that Tesla is really working hard to emphasize the idea that Giga Berlin is a fun place to work. Tesla may demand a lot from its employees, but the company also promotes fun during and after work hours. Silicon Valley companies are known for their work hard, play hard culture, and Tesla is no different. While the company is known for its long hours and intense end-of-quarter pushes, Tesla has also made it a point to reward employees for their work in unique ways. This seems to be true for all of Musk's enterprises, with Jeremy Hallman, a former SpaceX test engineer, previously stating that Elon Musk once had SpaceX's factory floor set up like a full-blown carnival for a company party. Back in 2016, Elon Musk also rented out the Avaya Stadium in San Jose, California, to celebrate Tesla's blowout quarter at the time. The event was dubbed simply as a Tesla party that was open to employees and their families. But attendees of the event noted that the electric vehicle maker actually provided free food, free drinks, games, and live aerobatics. The Tesla Model 3 was also showcased at the event. Following an intense delivery push for the Model 3 in 2018, Tesla also treated Fremont factory employees to a free concert from 12-time Grammy award-winning musician Jack White. Later that same year, Gigafactory Nevada employees were also treated to a family movie night featuring the film Cars 3. Free food, bouncy houses for the kids, and concessions. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.